bucket time!
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's the first day of December, which means it's nearly Christmas! I wonder what's in my bucket today. The first bucket of December. Come on, let's go and have a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic! Oh, look! Today my bucket has the number 1. The number 1 on it, which means it's the first day of December. Oh! But I wonder what's inside. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It smells delicious. Today's object begins with the letter P. P, which makes the P sound. P. Can you make that sound? P. Wow, that is amazing. Now, we have them at Christmas and they smell so sweet and warm, good enough to eat. Are you ready? Let's see what it is. It's a big pudding. A pudding. But not just any pudding. This is a Christmas pudding. I know a song about a Christmas pudding. Come on, let's go and sing it. Christmas pudding, Christmas pudding. Steaming hot, steaming hot. Sprinkle on the sugar, sprinkle on the sugar. Eat the lot, eat the lot. That was delicious. This little girl is decorating her Christmas puddings. She has one big Christmas pudding in the middle and lots of little ones. She's putting holly on the top of them. She's doing a really good job decorating her Christmas puddings. Fantastic! Today's number is the number 1. 1. That means 1 angel, 1 robin, and 1 Christmas pudding. I love Christmas pudding. Today's number is the number 1. Hooray! Wow! Christmas pudding, steaming hot, steaming hot. Sprinkle on the sugar, sprinkle on the sugar. Eat the lot, eat the lot. Wow! That was delicious. It was fantastic seeing you today, guys. I had a really good time. I hope you did too. But now it's time to put our toys away, ready for another day. In goes the Christmas pudding. Plop. Back in the bucket where it belongs. I wonder what's going to be in my bucket tomorrow. I hope to see you soon with me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. Bye, guys. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic!